Today, we're surrounded by computers, cell phones, and other smart devices that constantly collect information about our actions. This phenomenon is even more evident in the industrial sector. All the devices we use in our business generate millions of bits of information seemingly irrelevant, but that could be the key to your company's growth. To make the most of this valuable information, Mecalux Software Solutions has developed supply chain analytics software as a supplement to easy WMS. This functionality uses the data generated in the warehouse to raise your logistics productivity. This module was designed to analyze your business from top to bottom, providing useful data for logistics managers, operations managers, finance departments, and purchasing units. This software applies big data techniques and tools to segment and classify the information generated in the warehouse and convert it into numerous actionable KPIs. Likewise, it uses business intelligence methods to represent data from different areas of the organization. The logistics manager analyzes these KPIs to identify areas and tasks that can be optimized. The areas continuously analyzed by the supply chain analytics software module include goods receipt, dispatch, order picking accuracy, warehouse capacity, customer data, and product and stock quality. Mecalux Software Solutions works to offer you a myriad of possibilities by personalizing KPIs, reports, and dashboards based on the parameters selected. What does supply chain analytics software from Easy WMS bring to your business? Easy decision making, increased productivity, and continuous improvement. For companies with multiple warehouses, the software makes it possible to compare operations and detect those in need of improvement. An effective tool for different business areas, thanks to its capacity to analyze data from Easy WMS and the various modules with which it interacts. Interlake Mecalux has over 50 years of experience in the logistics sector. The thousands of projects it's implemented comprise innovative solutions that meet the needs of the market.